how to sign in to NaturalReader. So go to Google and search for NaturalReader. You'll see the website over here, naturalreaders.com. Click on that, then go to get started and click personal. If you are doing it for commercial, click commercial. I'm going with personal. Over here in the bottom left corner, you'll see login and sign up. Click on that.